Hello world, welcome to Applied Deep Learning by Kaggle AI. At Kaggle, our mission is clear: empower every individual with the tools and services necessary for success in this transformative age of AI. Join us as pioneers and innovators. Let's shape tomorrow together. Today, we're going to explore how you can create a new Google account and dive into the world of Google Colab, which is a fantastic resource for applied deep learning. Let's start by understanding the role of Colab in applied deep learning. Colab is a cloud-based environment that allows you to run Jupyter notebooks. This means you can write and execute code in a web browser without needing any special software installed on your computer. One of the most exciting features of Colab is its free access to GPU and TPU resources. These are powerful computing tools that enable you to execute complex models without needing high-end local hardware. This is particularly beneficial for experimenting with machine learning algorithms, training neural networks, and prototyping projects efficiently. Now, you might be wondering why a Google account is essential for using Colab effectively. Let me explain. First, having a Google account provides seamless access to all the features of Colab. It's like having a key that unlocks all the doors to this powerful tool. Integration is another crucial aspect. With a Google account, you can sync Colab with other Google services, such as Google Drive. This allows for easy storage and sharing of your notebooks. Imagine being able to save your work on the cloud and access it from anywhere, or share it with others for collaboration. Speaking of collaboration, a Google account facilitates this by allowing multiple users to work on the same notebook simultaneously. This is incredibly useful if you're working on a project with classmates or colleagues. You can all contribute to the same document in real time, making teamwork more efficient and productive. Now let's walk through the steps to create a new Google account. First, open your web browser and go to the Google account creation page. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information, such as your first and last name, a desired username, and a secure password. Let's begin by creating a new Google account. The first step is to open the Google sign-up page. You can do this by navigating to the URL accounts.google.com/signup. Once you're on the sign-up page, you'll need to fill in some basic personal information. Start by providing your first name and last name. Next, you'll choose a username. This username will become your Gmail address, for example, yourname@gmail.com. If the username you want is already taken, try different combinations until you find one that's available. Now, let's move on to creating a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. It should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's important to choose a password that's strong and not easily guessed. Avoid using common words or easily guessed information like birth years or sequences such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a tip for you. When creating your password, try to make it unique and memorable. This will help keep your account secure. The next step is to confirm your identity. You can do this by providing a phone number. While this step is optional, it is recommended. Enter your mobile number along with the correct country code. For example, if you're in the United States, the country code is +1. If you're in Nigeria, it's +234. In Kenya, it's +254, and in South Africa, it's +27. You also have the option to provide a recovery email. This can be useful if you forget your password. Additionally, you'll need to enter your date of birth, which is used to verify your age. Lastly, you can choose to provide your gender, although this step is optional. If you provided a phone number, the next step is to verify it. Google will send a 6-digit SMS code to your phone. You'll need to enter this code when prompted. If you don't receive the code, double-check the phone number format you entered. If necessary, you can request another code later. Once you've completed the verification process, you'll need to accept Google's terms. This involves reading through the Privacy and Terms page. After reviewing the terms, click on I agree to proceed. Now, let's consider some optional security features. You can set up recovery options if you skipped this step earlier. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Additionally, you might want to enable 2-step verification. This feature sends a login code to your phone whenever you sign in from a new device. Finally, you can access your new Google account. Visit the URL myaccount.google.com. Here, you can explore the various services available to you, such as Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Meet, and Google Photos, among others. By following these steps, you'll have successfully created a new Google account. Remember to keep your account information secure and to regularly update your security settings as needed. As we conclude, remember that in the age of AI, knowledge is power. With your new Google account and access to Colab, you're well equipped to explore the vast possibilities of artificial intelligence. Keep learning, keep innovating, and let your creativity soar. Thank you for being part of this journey. Until next time. And by the way, do not forget to subscribe and become part of a community that's shaping tomorrow.